What's up, Kids Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. I just wanted to show you how to access split screen mode on any Samsung device. So pretty much all you would need to do is access the app you want in split screen. Then you want to go to the top, tap it. As you can see, it's the gallery app. You want to just tap on it, and then you want to select open in split screen view, and then you just want to pick the next app that you want to use in split screen view. As you can see here, I have my calculator and my gallery open, so I can search my gallery while I'm calculating something, some numbers up if I wanted to. And this is so fun to do. You can make your gallery screen smaller and have a bigger calculator, or you can make your gallery screen bigger and have a smaller calculator. So this was just me showing you how to use split screen mode. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.